Good morning. This is Todd Reek with the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin, with a severe weather briefing for today into Wednesday morning, specifically the threat for flash flooding, as heavy rain will move in this afternoon and continue through tonight. We will also have a risk for some damaging winds, even an isolated tornado that'll be from late afternoon into the evening. Let's start off with the rainfall. In the last 7 days, if you notice on the left, upwards of 8 inches of rain has fallen over portions of northeast Iowa and southwest Wisconsin. There have been and continue to be flooding problems in these areas, somewhat significant along the Kickapoo rivers, and the Turkey River is now also in flood. These areas cannot accept any more rainfall. Then looking at the rain we expect for today into tomorrow, the main band will set up just to the west of this hard-hit area from north central Iowa through northern Wisconsin with 3 to 6 inches. There could be locally more than that, while the hard-hit areas may be 1 to 3. But again, any water in northeast Iowa and southwest Wisconsin will likely lead to more flooding, and that could be significant. So again, we are looking at the threat for flooding today, where heavy rain falls, at least localized flooding, perhaps widespread. There will be rises on rivers and streams. Expect that. And if your grounds are already very wet, that increases your flood risk. And specifically keying in on, again, northeast Iowa and especially southwest Wisconsin, if any heavy rain falls there, the flooding could become potentially life-threatening. It's a serious situation that bears very close watch. As for the other potential severe weather of damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, your higher risk lies across mostly portions of northeast Iowa and southeast Minnesota into west central Wisconsin. You can see here kind of along the I-90 corridor southwestward. That time frame is from 3 to 9 p.m. Here's a look at our latest weather graphic you can find on our website, detailing what I just went over with rainfall we've had, rainfall we expect, and what you need to do and what you need to know. So what should you do? You need to prepare now. Waiting until the heavy rain or the flooding starts is just way too late. And please never, ever drive across a flooded road. You don't get many chances to repeat that if you get caught up in floodwaters. If you live near rivers or streams or have activities, monitor the weather conditions very closely, please, and be ready to move to higher ground and evacuate if waters rise. And as always, severe storms approach, take shelter. So again, heavy rain is expected today, mostly later this afternoon through tonight. Flooding is likely, maybe just localized, but there is a high probability some will be widespread. And again, you have additional chance for damaging winds and maybe an isolated tornado later this afternoon into mid-evening. Please find us at weather.gov/lacrosse for more information as the day wears on. Thank you.